Imagine coming to a gallery like this and looking at these portraits from like 100 years ago or whatever, and you see yourself.
So scary.
It would be freaky. Oh, is that you, Mitch? Hola, I'm Mariah. This is Mitch. He didn't stay awake for me filming this, but this is real travel talk, where we take you through the real day in the life of traveling full time and working and doing all the things. So this is the rest of our day. If you want good pictures during the Europe summer, always come in the morning. It's like nowhere near as busy as what it usually is. Doing some work from the library. This is the building the library's in. Work break, we're meeting Mitch's sister at this museum. Apparently it's free on Tuesdays. That's incredible. So this is all you can eat. €13. So you pick this and then they cook it for you. I'm so confused and no one can really explain. I'm relying on Mitch. My favourite part. Look at them. Oh my god. So good. I think there's ice cream over there too. Real travel talk when Mitch's sister gets lost in half an hour in basket. Going on a boat. Woo!